So you can do it for your mustache. Hi guys, I know it has been a while. Okay, don't cuss me. I know there are no excuses, but I am here. I'm sorry I've been MIA, and my true followers, my true friends, thank you for always tuning in. Thank you for those who have been pushing me and kicking me in the butt and telling me what I need to hear and not what I want to hear. This video is about how you could stay gorgeous while being at home. You don't have to look pop down with your eyebrows looking bushy. No, you could fix it up and look decent in the house. And even if you can't do your hair, you could do a head wrap, because girl, you don't want to see what's under here, but I could show you how to tie head wraps, girl. Okay guys, I'm using my spoolie to brush my hair into place, getting rid of all the wild hairs, and then using my garden shear to get all my bushes out of the way. The more you clean up your wild hairs, it's the better for you. It makes everything so much more easier. With my angled brush, I will just outline my eyebrows as if I would be doing my makeup. Use a fluffy one so that it gets the product onto your brows as well as define the outline. The more product you use on the area, the better the hair will be removed. Okay, so make sure you get your arch how you want it and then apply more product. I usually keep this on for approximately 6 to 8 minutes. You could do a test patch if your skin is very sensitive. If you're using it for the first time, always do a test patch, all right? So you can do it for your mustache. I wouldn't, because I did it once before, and I'm not going to lie, I had a reaction as soon as 5 minutes. It started burning, and I was like, okay, let me just stick it out for a little while. Always use a warm, damp makeup cloth to remove the product. When it's warm, it comes off that much more easier. You see how clean that is? But my hairs are stubborn, so I usually leave it on for longer than 4 minutes, as what the instruction says. I have stubborn eyebrow hairs. So I use my vitamin E oil, which is my holy grail. Right now I'm using it to soothe any irritation that I may have from the Palmer's hair remover. So I'm just putting that all over my eyebrows right now. And it gives you a nice glow. Hey. And why not just put it all over your face? It's a great moisturizer. Alright? So if you're dry, just know that you get moisturized right now. Hello. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share with your friends, and also do it. Let me see how you... Oh my gosh! This person with their Ja Rule thing. Come on. What do you know, baby? I don't wanna go crazy. Anyhow, don't forget to like this video and thumbs up if you do. Messing up my flow. You know what, guys? I love you. Stay tuned to other videos to come, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. All right?